Alam mo ba ang stress ng mga buyers ngayon? The long wait. Bibili ka ngayon, pero ang turnover after so many years. But that's not the case here sa Aliana model. This is a rent-to-own style offer. Pwede kang mag-move in agad after your first down payment. Ready na ang unit. Ready na kayo? Yes, lipat agad. Welcome to Aliana. Located along Villarica Road, Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan, and near Main Gate. Super accessible. Tignan mo tong property na ito. May 181 square meter na floor area. Nakatayo sa sobrang luwag na 345 square meter na lot area. Sobrang laki ng space. May 2-car garage tayo. Meron din tayong lanai area. Perfect spot for your afternoon coffee or maybe a small family get-together. Plus fronting garden ito. Ang ganda ng appeal. Sa 345 square meter na lot area, you will never feel congested. We have an open layout for living, dining, and an enclosed kitchen area. And this is the game changer. We have 1 bedroom sa ground floor. This is ideal for senior citizen. You can convert this into your home office or gym. Super practical. May 3 toilet and bath din tayo. Everything is ready for immediate occupancy. Level up na tayo. Dito mo mararamdaman ang privacy. May 2 bedrooms pa tayo, so that's the total of 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. Kumpleto na ang space ng buong family mo. Finally, for your peace of mind, this property is guaranteed 100% flood-free and away from fault line. Protected ang investment mo dahil 24 hours din ang security. To recap, you're getting Aliana model. Huge 345 square meter na lot area. Spacious 181 square meter na floor area. 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 balcony, and 2-car garage. Safe, flood-free, and fault line-free location. But again, the biggest reason why you should grab this now, this is a rent-to-own style property. Huwag ka na mag-antay ng matagal. First down payment, lipat agad! This is EJ Reyes. I-message mo na ako ngayon para ma-secure ang Aliana unit at ma-schedule na natin ang actual move-in date ninyo. Minsan lang dumaan ang ganitong opportunity. The house is ready. Ikaw, ready ka na ba?